Hi, it's Morag Gamble from the Permaculture Education Institute and the Ethos Foundation, and I'd like to invite you to register for Monday night's free online Permaculture Masterclass. And the topic we're exploring this time is what now? We are in the midst of the greatest global disruption our generation has ever experienced. So how can we respond immediately with permaculture? In this masterclass, I'm going to be exploring 4 key themes that are part of this positive revolution. The first is a revival of edible gardens. Let's create permaculture kitchen gardens everywhere and amplify their abundance. Bringing the food economy home in this time of vulnerability helps to bring a real sense of security and also helps to build our immune systems too. The second is building a community food revolution. Beyond our backyards and balconies, communities are self-organising and cooperating to relocalise food systems with mutual aid. And we're going to explore examples from around the world to help inspire local action. The third is about supporting kitchen gardens in refugee camps. Lockdown is devastating vulnerable communities, especially displaced peoples. Rations don't go far enough. So learn how permaculture gardens can really make a difference and how you can help. And so our fourth topic is about youth, about engaging young people in positive, practical activism and how we can support them to live the change they want to see in the world and to start with action at home, in the garden, in the community, and also to connect and reach out around the world with other young people. So to register for this masterclass, just click the blue button below and that will take you to the page. Now on that page, you can also click a little button there that says automatically subscribe to all of the masterclasses that I put out. So every month I put out a new masterclass which is based around a permaculture topic and a topic that is informed by either the most critical issue of our time or a topic that you've chosen. So I welcome you to join me. Like I said, it's free, and don't forget, even if you can't make it at this time because you're from another part of the world or something else is happening, still register so that way I can send you the replay once it's finished. So I look forward to the pleasure of your company on Monday, and thanks for listening.